Hello everyone, welcome back to BioBoard classes where science gets super simple. Today's topic is something that keeps your heart going, quite literally. We are diving into double circulation in humans. So grab a seat, maybe your bio notes too, and let's get that heart pumping with knowledge. So what is double circulation? In humans, blood doesn't just go around the body in one loop, it actually completes two circuits every time it passes through the heart. One to the lungs and one to the rest of the body. That's why it's called double circulation. Today we'll break down double circulation step by step with clear diagrams and logic. So, what is double circulation? It means that the blood passes through the heart twice in one complete cycle, once for getting oxygen from the lungs and once to deliver that oxygen to the body. This ensures complete separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, making circulation more efficient and pressure controlled. So, first is pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation is the heart, lungs, and heart loop. It begins in the right ventricle where deoxygenated blood, that is, blood with low oxygen, is pumped through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Here, blood releases carbon dioxide and picks up oxygen. This oxygenated blood returns to the left atrium via pulmonary vein. Next is systemic circulation. This is the heart, body, and heart loop. Oxygenated blood from the left ventricle is pumped through the aorta to supply the entire body. After delivering oxygen and collecting carbon dioxide, the blood returns to the right atrium via superior and inferior vena cava. Together, these two loops form the double circulation system. Now, why is double circulation important? Double circulation is a hallmark of mammals and birds. Why? Because it provides separation of oxygen-rich and oxygen-poor blood. It provides higher blood pressure in systemic circulation for efficient transport and controlled pressure in pulmonary circulation to protect delicate lungs. And it provides efficient delivery of oxygen, helping maintain warm-blooded metabolism. Let's clear a few common doubts related to this topic. First is, do all animals have double circulation? No, only mammals and birds. Amphibians have a three-chambered heart and incomplete separation. Second is the heart a double pump? In humans, yes. One side pumps to the lungs, other to the body. Third is, why does blood pass through the heart twice? So that it ensures complete oxygenation and maintain pressure. So here's your takeaway. Double circulation comprises of pulmonary and systemic loop. The heart plays a central role in maintaining efficiency, pressure, and complete oxygen delivery. This is one reason why mammals like us can be active, warm-blooded, and efficient. The blood goes from right side to lungs, then to the left side of the heart, and then to the entire body and back again to the right side of the heart. And that's how double circulation works in humans. Simple, smart, and super effective. If this video helped you understand it better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another bio breakdown. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We all are learning together. Until next time, keep that heart beating strong.